Ngithanda ukuthi ke nginibingelele khona la ku Backspace. Sengiphinde ngabuya ke fune indaba ke isematheni, indaba ke nje ishisayo ezithinta ezediski. Ngiphethe ke la indaba ke ithinta Kaizer Chiefs. Bafethu ziyabuya akhatheleke ama-fans ayi Kaizer Chiefs like bakhathele kwangempela. Umbukeli kongazi ukuthi kwenzakalani o lost. So umbukeli ke into ke yenzakalayo la namhlanje ama-fans ayo ki Kaizer Chiefs ahambe ke ayo strike lapha ngaphandle ke eNaturena. Nakhona ke befuna ukungena ngaphakathi abeke sivinjwa ngamaphoyisa. Ngizokudlalela ke mbukeli clip uyiboneke lento engikhuluma ngayo. Ama-fans ayo ki Kaizer Chiefs awekho ke happy banezikhalazo ke impela lento ke ithinta yona ke performance yalo ke iqembu and akusiyo ke into entsha kade abalandeli bayo ki Kaizer Chiefs kwaseke bekhala indlela ke management emanage ngalo iqembu.
But when we buy merchandising, we are allowed to come inside. Today we are being expected to stay here.
This is a very one.
We are not taking us.
No, we buy this merchandiser because we like this clip. So we want to talk
we want to speak to the management.
Oh. We can't.
We want to admire our facilities inside. Oh. We can't be subjected to stay here.
Oh. This area, when you buy a merchandiser, we pass this area.
So that's where so we can then take it from there as a private property.
No! There's no private. Oh, when we buy this thing, we pass this area.
We are not here to live.
You can't take it private. No! Just because today we want to say our own merchandise, our own.
We said we just came here to admire our facilities.
No.
Because today, when we come to buy merchandise here, you are allowed us to come there. Oh, stop misbehaving, man. Stop misbehaving. I hate each and every
We came here peacefully.
So injalo ke mbukeli ngiyathemba ukuthi ke uyibonileke leyo clip. Abalandeli bayo ke Kaizer Chiefs abekho ke happy ngendlela ke impela izinto ke ezenzeka ngakhona. Omunye ke wabalandeli bayo ke Kaizer Chiefs ushilo ke lapha ukuthi ke abazile ngokuzodestroya or ngokuzolwa kodwa bebefuna ukuzodeliver imemorandum as ama-fans kuyona ke management yayi Kaizer Chiefs kodwa ke bamangele ngenxa ukuthi ke bablockwe amaphoyisa and ubeke sesho futhi ukuthi ke i-aim yabo ukuthi ke beprevent i-violence or ke destroya kwezinto lapha e-stadium okungcono bakhetha ukuthi ke beze lapha eNaturena bezokhuluma bebhodle as ama-fans ukuthi ke kahle kahle bona luthini uvo lwabo njengama-fans njengoba ke izinto zinzima for iqembu. So injalo ke mbukeli yizo ke lezi ke indaba ezithinta amakhosi yona ke Kaizer Chiefs kunzima ke impela kunzima but ke sinethemba ukuthi ke wona ke amakhosi azophendula emva kwayo ke le protest ongithi ke le strike esenzwe wona ke ama-fans ayi Kaizer Chiefs. Izinto ke impela zihambe kahle uma ke sekuphoqa ngempela ukuthi ama-fans ezeyifikele wona mathupha ukuzo striker okuchaza khona ukuthi impela ke izinto zimbe eqenjini. Zinjalo ke mbukeli ngizobuya ke namanye ama-update makukhona okunye futhi okuvelayo ake ngithi ke nje danke ngiyazi bongela.